Have you ever contemplated why, for the first time in history, obesity poses a greater threat to human life than hunger? It's a stark reality we're grappling with today, as over 1 billion individuals worldwide wrestle with obesity to varying degrees. Contrary to popular belief, the United States, often perceived as the epicenter of obesity due to its unique dietary habits and lifestyle, is not the only country in crisis. Yes, nearly 139 million individuals in the US are dealing with obesity. However, the numbers are even more staggering in other parts of the world. China, for instance, has 200 million individuals battling obesity, while a whopping 350 million people in India are in the clutches of this crisis. A report by the British newspaper, The Daily Mail, reveals that over 159 million children and teenagers worldwide are victims of obesity. Among adults, an abnormal level of obesity is found in nearly 879 million people. Interestingly, in the Global Obesity Index, American men rank 10th, while women are at the 36th position. The statistics from the last 32 years, from 1990 to 2022, show a staggering 400% increase in the number of young people falling prey to obesity. Pakistan, too, is among the countries where a significant portion of the population is in the grip of obesity. The consumption of fast food and junk food in Pakistan has been on the rise, with an increasing preference for heavily fried items. A recent report highlighted that the consumption of processed food in the United States and Britain has reached lethal levels. Experts equate the craving for processed and fast foods to passive smoking, a slow but steady stranglehold on health. In summary, the global obesity crisis is not limited to any one country or region. It's a widespread issue, affecting individuals of all ages, from children to adults. Lifestyle changes, including dietary habits and the rise in processed and fast food consumption, are significant contributors to this crisis. The situation calls for urgent and comprehensive measures to promote healthier lifestyles and curb the growing numbers of obesity worldwide. Remember, the fight against obesity is not just a personal battle, it's a global endeavor.